Guangdong Evergreat Laboratory Equipment Co., Limited, is based in Nanhai District, a national tech innovation demo city rooted in the Pearl River Delta. As a fast-growing professional designer and manufacturer of all-steel lab equipment, we've secured a core position in all-steel lab furniture. With rich industry experience, strict quality control, and advanced production gear, we focus on tech innovation. Guided by customer-first, quality products at fair prices, we integrate global, advanced tech for independent R&D, developing a series of domestically leading all-steel lab furniture and accessories. We specialize in core lines, all-steel fume hoods, lab workbenches, high cabinets, plus Type C divided by H frames and full all-steel lab accessories. We also cover medical needs with explosion-proof cabinets, stainless steel sampling tables, and TCM cabinets. Our commitment to excellence is validated by triple ISO certification, 100% compliance in national safety and performance testing, 100+ utility patents, and design innovations. These achievements underscore our role as a trusted partner for institutions demanding reliability, safety, and sustainability. As we advance, we remain dedicated to redefining laboratory environments, blending steel's resilience with intelligent design to create spaces. We strive to be the global partner of choice for laboratories, committed to breakthroughs in science, medicine, and industry.